Hello. You're here to learn about working remotely as a freelance writer. Let's get started. What does a freelance writer do? Freelance writers create content for others to use for business and professional purposes. A freelance writer is an independent contractor who is free to work for whoever they choose. They can work from home or from a sunny beach, which means this is one of the best remote work opportunities for anyone who wants the freedom to work from anywhere. A client can be an individual or a company. As a freelance writer, you can find writing work at content mills, which are companies that act as a middleman between the client and the writer. The writer signs up with a content mill and gains access to writing jobs posted there. The writer selects each job and completes it according to project rules, and the content mill pays the writer for the work. A writer may also find steady work with marketing agencies seeking writers for various types of industry clients. Accepting an agency job often requires the writer to sign a contract that stipulates what the work is and what the rates are. Freelance writers can also create a website, set their own rates, and market their writing skills by doing self-promotion through social media and networking. Some writers specialize in writing for one niche, some write for several niches, and some writers are open to writing in a wide variety of niches. Determining what direction to go in when building a writing career can be one of trial and error. When starting out, writing articles is a great way to gain experience. Everything else will work itself out as you go. Types of content freelance writers get paid to write include articles, blog posts, product pages, website pages, press releases, social media posts, grant writing, marketing emails, newsletters, books, ebooks, resumes, proposals, scripts, and white papers. How much can you make? A freelance writer can make between $11,000 to $159,000 per year. What training do you need? There is no special training needed to become a freelance writer, and anyone who has a way with words and knows basic grammar can do this job. However, you may want to take a course in freelance writing to get a basic understanding of what it is you need to do to get steady work and be competitive. Job skills. To be successful, there are some skills you should focus on. Advanced writing skills. Familiarize yourself with what is known as the writing tone and writing voice. Learn to write sentences that flow naturally and use enough words to get to the point without adding too much fluff. Learn to write for a particular audience or market. This involves developing a knack for knowing who is going to be reading what you write. Researching. Be prepared to thoroughly research the topics you are given. Proofreading. Proofread your work to ensure it is accurate, flows nicely, and free of grammar and spelling mistakes. SEO. Learn what search engine optimization is and how to use keywords to make the content you write easier to be found in the search engines. Tips. Being good at article writing is expected, so don't stop there. Strive to learn at least one or two other types of writing to make yourself more marketable. If you're comfortable with grammar and sentence structure, consider expanding into offering editing services. Learn how to find and add images to articles, something you may be requested to do for some projects. If you take on a project that requires interviewing someone, ask precise questions to get the information that's most valuable for writing the content. I hope this information is helpful to you in landing a great job. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.